Right in this video, I will show you how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus. And I want you to know that there is a withdrawal proof already. As you can see right here, this is a withdrawal proof showing on the screen, and also this as well. Alright, so this shows that you can withdraw from this particular bonus I am about to show you. Not only that, I'll be showing you how you can get the bonus, I'll also be explaining the terms and conditions you need to meet before you can be able to withdraw. And if you have been missing out on the latest no deposit bonus that have been dropping, because there has been a lot of withdrawal proof dropping recently, you can still get some of them. Just go to my previous videos in this YouTube channel and start checking for the ones that are still available. Alright, but before I proceed to showing you how you can get this particular $100 bonus, please take a moment to quickly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the like button so that YouTube can push this video to more people and more people can be able to benefit from this particular video. And if you have done that, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Things like this are what keeps me going and want me to want to do more for you guys. Alright, so let's dive right into how you can get this $100 no deposit bonus. So the link to be getting the bonus will be in my Telegram group, which is this. And the link to get to my Telegram channel will be in the description or the pinned comment section. So check the link and it's going to direct you to my Telegram group right here. And after getting here, you find the link to get the bonus. The link is going to direct you to where you have to get the bonus. And after clicking on the link, it is going to direct you right here where you have to download this particular app. So you just have to click on this install button right here and you wait for it to install. All right. So after installing the app, as you can see right here, this is the home page of the app. And I want you to know that you'll be trading this particular bonus on their app, not on MT4 or MT5. Now, as you can see, 3 steps for $100 bonus. Now, you are not depositing anything and you are not doing anything tangible. Just follow these 3 steps. Number 1 is to register an account. The second one is to verify your identity and you will be able to get the $100 bonus. All right. So let me quickly do this and I'll get back to the video. So to register an account to them, this is what you have to fill. And after doing that, then you accept this and then you can proceed. So as you can see right here, I just registered an account and this is my profile right here. So to verify my account, as you can see, just click on this and it is going to direct you right here. These are the things you need to use to verify your account. All right. So as you can see, I've submitted mine already and it is currently pending. All right. So I got this particular message from them and as you can see right here, they asked me to verify my email. So I just have to click on the verify email right here to verify my email. And after verifying it, then I can go back to the app. So while waiting for my profile to be verified, let me quickly walk you guys through the terms and conditions for this particular bonus. All right. So to be able to withdraw from this bonus, you have to be making 200% from the initial balance every single week for the next 1 month. All right. But for better understanding, you just have to take the equity to about $8,000 or so you can be able to withdraw from this. So you can just decide to trade it to that particular amount and just leave it up until it is 1 month and you'll be able to withdraw from it. And I think the minimum withdrawal is $50. So the minimum withdrawal is $50 and you can withdraw more. All right. So just ensure you trade this particular bonus and you make 200% on each balance, on the balance. All right. Every single week for the next 1 month. That's about $200 every week for the next 4 weeks. All right. So that means you'll be making $800 on equity after the end of everything. All right. So that's just the simple terms and condition. And if the terms and condition is not clear to you, you can just message me. I'll explain better to you in my DM. All right. So once your account has been verified, then you would be able to get this particular $100 bonus. You'll be credited automatically. As you can see, my account is currently pending and I don't want you guys to miss out on this. That is why I'm making this video right now. I'll be dropping my own proof in my Telegram community so that you guys can know that you can get this particular bonus. And also, a lot of people will be able to get it And if you are part of people that have gotten it, ensure you drop a comment saying you've gotten it so that people can know that this is real. And don't forget to send proof to me so that I can be able to share it with the community. All right. I hope you have learned and be able to get one or two things from this particular video. If you have, please do well to subscribe and do well to like the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.